Alright.
More damage to the Hotpoint refrigerator here.
Okay, well, as you can see in the last video, this was still attached. There it is. Nothing more duct tape can't fix. Okay, here we go.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah.
Want some eggs?
Oh yeah.
Refrigerator.
And we kind of kicked up the freezer compartment there a little bit, bent that up. You want to take a few rounds at the freezer compartment there?
Yeah. Shoot this.
Oh yeah. Hey, go a few rounds at the freezer compartment up there. Right up there.
Okay. Up or down?
Don't matter to me.
Bend it up a little bit.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about there. Yeah, that should be alright.
Alright, that's what I'm talking about.